Kumusta po kayo? Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Ito masaya to. This next thing that I'm gonna do right now is quite the throwback. I like to call on stage. This one is a really good friend of mine from way back when. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Dale Ferrer. Where's Dale? I'll tell you a story about Dale. Ayun. Dito tayo pare. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Dale Ferrer is my personal guitarist from way back when I was doing Harana.ph. And before I was on The Voice, before I did the demo thing, ang trabaho ko po dati, isa po akong haranista. Tawag ko namin sa amin dati haranista. Basically, kami po ay mga singing telegram. Yun po yung trabaho po namin. Diba po? It's called Harana.ph. People would book online on the website to book us to sing for them sa mga special occasions, mga kasal, mga proposals, mga Valentine's Day. Nako, hit na hit kami, suging-sugi. Minsan nakakasampu kami harana sa Valentine's Day, sa isang araw. So, I wanted to invite Dale here because I wanted to relive my haranista moments. And I'd like to serenade you guys ngayong gabi. Gagawin namin yung isa sa mga kanta na laging nire-request sa amin during mga harana. So, okay lang po ba yun? Kayo po yung haranamin po namin. Sige, kunyari nagkaharana tayo bro, sa haranista. Magandang gabi po. Andyan po ba si insert name here? Ayan. Hello po, pinadala po kami ni insert name here para kantahan po kayo. Happy anniversary po sa inyo, happy birthday, and happy proposal po. Sana po mag-yes po siya. This song is for you guys. Ganito po ang kalakaran namin ng time na yun. So, hit it bro.
Say
Love you, Ate Kai. Grabe. Queen of R&B, ladies and gentlemen.
Happy 10th, Jason.
Thank you so much, Ate Kai. Ladies and gentlemen. Grabe. Thank you so much to my good friend Dale. Palakpakan pa natin si Dale, guys. Thank you bro. Solid. Thank you. Wow, grabe. Kahit ako kinikilig ako, ito yung mga guests ko. Sabi ko nga kanina, pwede bang manood na lang ako? Pwede bang as audience na lang ako? Pero, grabe. I'm so honored to be sharing the stage with these beautiful women. Thank you so much. We got so much more in store for you tonight, so don't go anywhere. Diyan lang kayo, ha? Antayin niyo ba ako? Mag-release na ako ng damit. Okay lang ba? Siyempre, dapat marami tayong outfitan today, diba? So I'll see you guys in a bit. Sir Ray, take it away.